I started this channel a while back, really as part of my quest to become Ron Swanson.
Is there a project you're working on?
I know more than you.
And I have been just really blown away and amazed by all that's happened since I started. I've posted around 40 videos and I have over 240,000 views. And to me, that's just incredible. And I just really want to say thank you to all of you who subscribe to my channel, who watch my videos. It's really exciting to be doing something and creating something that people enjoy and find value in. And I plan on continuing. But I also wanted to talk about my channel, make a few announcements, and discuss what is going to be happening here in 2021, because there's going to be some big changes. So my first big announcement is this little one. Late last year, we had a baby, and we are just so excited and thrilled. It was kind of a harrowing time, not just with COVID, but for us personally. We'd had some bad experiences with previous pregnancy, but we are so happy and grateful that our little baby girl was born to us without any complications, and we couldn't be more thrilled. So that is big announcement number one. Now for big announcement number two. We have lived here in Western Pennsylvania for about 5.5 years, and we have enjoyed every minute of it. We've made some really fantastic friends we'll have for life. I love this area. I love the trees. I love the lumber. I love everything about it. The rain. I grew up in a desert, and so having it rain all the time I think is fantastic. But our time here has ended, and we are going to be moving sometime this year. Don't know exactly when, but we'll be moving to Texas, to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And we are really excited about that. We're also really sad to be leaving this home that we spent so much time on, that we've done so many projects in. We've enjoyed doing all those projects, and we wouldn't do it any different, but it is sad to leave a place that you've worked so hard on. And so because of this huge change in our lives, my channel in 2021 is going to be different. I do have some projects that I finished that I haven't yet posted, so I'll be posting a few of those and a few other videos, but I'm also going to be making videos about our process to prepare our house to be sold, and all the little things that you need to do here and there to fix stuff around the house.
Fix the newel post!
So that is what you have to look forward on my channel this year. I hope to continue to grow this channel. I'll keep posting things as I'm able to, but of course with a new job and a new baby, life can get busy sometimes, but I'll do the best I can. But I want to share my journey with you guys. I want to share the DIY projects that I do. I want to share the things we do around the house, as well as the things that we're going to do to our new house. And so again, I'm really excited. I'm really glad that you guys have really responded to my channel. I'm glad you guys enjoy it. If you're not already subscribed, make sure that you do that. And make sure you share some videos with friends and family. Share videos of things that you think they might enjoy or they might find useful. And as always, be sure to click that bell icon. That way you'll be notified as I post new videos in the future. So thanks again for all of your support. Thanks again for watching my videos. And we'll see you in the next one.
Oh, is he tired, girl?